Got a few minutes for a quick review of Cosel's AME series configurable multi-output AC to DC power supplies, the ultimate solution for your power needs. I'm Dave Miskell with Cosel USA. Cosel is a Japanese manufacturer of standard and custom AC to DC power supplies, DC to DC power supplies, and EMI filters. Let's dive into the world of versatility and reliability with Cosel's configurable power supplies. Whether you need 400 watts, 600 watts, 800 watts, or 1200 watts, the AME series has got you covered, all packed neatly in a compact 1U height. The AME series boasts compliant with stringent medical safety standards such as UL 60601-1 with 2x MOPP primary to secondary isolation, ensuring peace of mind for critical applications. Leakage current on multiple single output supplies in a system are additive. However, for all possible combinations of outputs, the AME series has a maximum standard leakage current of 300 microamps at 240 volts input and 100% load. The low leakage current option further reduces the maximum specified leakage current to no greater than 150 microamps at 240 volts input and 100% load. Additionally, the AME series meets the rigorous requirements for ITE applications with UL 62368-1 certification. The front end houses EMC filtering, inrush current limiting, and power factor correction, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to the output modules. The 400 and 600 watt front ends have 4 slots that accept 4 output modules, while the 800 and 1200 watt front ends have 6 slots. All 4 front ends operate over the standard 85 to 264 volt input range, and all 4 front ends begin the D-rate at 170 volts input as noted in the charts. Hold-up time is typically in the 16 to 20 microsecond range for 80% to 100% of the rated load. All variations of the AME series are rated for full power at 50 C ambient and derate to 50% of the rated power at 70 C ambient. The front ends have variable speed fans that adjust as indicated in the charts with standard airflow from front to back, with back to front available as an option. A 5 volt at 1 amp auxiliary output is standard, with an option for a 12 volt auxiliary output. Now let's delve into the heart of the AME series, with multiple independent isolated output modules, each with its own configurable settings. The AME series offers unprecedented flexibility in voltage and current options. There are 23 single slot output modules with output voltages from 3.3 to 100 volts. These outputs collectively can be trimmed from 3 volts to 105 volts. There are 120 watt and 240 watt single output, single slot modules, and 1 dual output module. The dual outputs can trim independently from 5 volts to 25.2 volts. 2 or more output modules can be connected in parallel using the output paralleling shorting bars, or the outputs can be connected in series using the series shorting bars, so the voltages are additive. With options for parallel and series connections and a large selection of the output modules' voltages, plus the wide trim ranges of the output modules, a whole host of voltage and current level options are possible. Analog monitoring and control of each output module is available as noted in the chart, or extended UART or PMBus protocols are available as options. Plus, RS232 or RS485 or USB is available with some additional cabling and/or minor hardware. But that's not all. Optional features like conformal coating, Molex connectors instead of the standard screw terminals on the outputs, constant current mode control option on several output modules, and short duration peak current capability above the rated output current level on 5 of the output modules further enhances the flexibility and performance of these power supplies. But flexibility doesn't mean complexity. Thanks to the intuitive configuration tool available on our website, Tailoring an AME series power supply to your exact requirements is fairly easy and straightforward. Simply input your specifications, select the options desired, and the configurator will help you generate a comprehensive PDF document with your final part number ready for deployment. Or you could contact a Cosel representative like myself to configure the supply for you. Prototypes can be shipped from the Cosel USA Configuration Center in California within 2 or 3 days. What about reliability? The AME series is designed in Japan to excel even in demanding environments, with variable speed fans that adjust based on output load and ambient temperature, along with extensive protection features and extensive qualification testing, such as failure mode and effects analysis. You can trust the AME series to deliver consistent performance over demanding conditions. Ready to experience the power of versatility and reliability? Contact Cosel USA today for prototypes or inquiries about our full range of standard and custom power supply and EMI filtering solutions. With the AME series, your power needs are not just met, they're exceeded. Thank you for choosing Cosel and have a wonderful day.